Now then, you mucky bastards. Yorkshire Pud here. Got my man Jono. Doing Wharncliffe today. I'll send you some treats. And we'll be able to see what it has to offer. Apparently there's a few closed. But we'll see when we get up top. Jono's gonna go over the Bridge of Doom. Something I can't do. Because I'm absolutely dog shit. He does it. Oh, he's done it! As you can see, it's an absolute mud fest. There's going to be slippery slidey today. It's middle of March 24 and we've had no but rain. Yeah, it's been a bad year so far for rain. Last year 23 it was dry in February. Yep. Wow, that was rutty, very rutty. First run, quite a lot of closed actually. I don't know why, it might be because it rained, wearing it all the way. But yeah, I struggle in ruts. Once I get in a rut, I tend not to be able to get out. Obviously, Jono on hardtail, fucking hard as fuck. Nice little jump there. Whoa, that's rutty as fuck, isn't it? Oh, look at you. Look at his eyes. What is going on? Churning up. At least Jono won't be stopping this time. He's got his goggles on. Just. You alright, mate? Fucking hell. Breathe, Mr. Shaw. Fucking breathe. Fucking hell, brakes. Is it right? Right. Yes! Yes! That is fucking meant! Woohoo! jinky janky. I hope you can still see because I ain't got a fucking chance to wipe the lens. Whoa. Slow going through all that shit. Wow. Oh, minging. But tasty. Oh, overshoots. Is it straightforward? I don't know. Yep, I can see Jono in the distance. Ah. Oh. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Nice. You up, boy? Yep. Oh, minging. Nice and fucking mint. Oh, nearly. Nice. Hee. He's on my ass, forcing me down. Crazy cunt. Fucking way is it? Fucking hell! Whoa! Dickhead. That's another level, is that? That's ace. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sideways on that bastard. He's off and all.
I fucking stopped because Jono said something.
Oh, minging. Whoa!
Little bit of a mess up here, so we started again.
Hardcore. All right. You all right? Okay. Sunday. Oh no.
What have I done there?
I got it and all. Hey up, hey up. You alright?
Yeah. Don't know what the front wheel is. Oh, I'm gonna make it there.
Nice one, Chris.
See, it's been a very dirty day. Hasn't it, Jono? So look at your ass. Whoa, look at that. Dirty bastard. Lovely. Lovely. That's what Wharncliffe has to offer for you. Say bye.
See ya.
Ta-da. All time. Back up for a Sunday dinner. Yorkshire Sunday dinner. You know what I mean?